We're making a mini Oz display for our fall marketing campaign. So this is a little bit different from the ones on the internet. If you look at the pictures of Oz, there's a lot of kind of baubles with little spires and a lot of different shapes and sizes. So rather than just getting one kind of noodle, we got some of the interlocking ones, and we got some of the bigger round ones, and we got some of the smaller round ones. Then to make the baubles, we got like foam balls from the dollar store. Got some different sizes and kind of just glued them to the noodles with hot glue. And I put little spires on them with bristle board, but we kind of like rolled it up and glued it on. I also just kind of walked around the dollar store seeing what else was kind of triangular or spire-like. And these are just like wine glasses that are turned upside down. These are noise blowers. In my office, I had quite a few bottles. So I cut up some of those, and I found some water bottles. Oh, also these little party cups I got from the dollar store. I also found this little wooden thing at the dollar store. It's $5, but I thought it would make a cute little round door, because if you look at the pictures, there's like a door to the city. And I put it all on like foam board. So I kind of just taped and stapled two together. And I put the city part on the little box I had. And then most of the noodles I just put on these boxes. And I kind of just hot glued everything together. So now we're just gonna spray paint it black to give it a base coat. And then we're going to spray it in this pretty sparkly green paint. Okay, so after spray painting, we brought it back inside, let it air out for a few days. And now I'm just kind of going around and fixing up some things that were bugging me. Generally, it's a backdrop. It looked okay in pictures, but some of the spires were looking super janky, like I had glue running down and stuff. So I ended up wrapping soap around it and then painted it green. Oh, I also added these brass rings for the door because Oz has a big door. So at this point, I'm thinking about how to add my yellow brick road. So I bought some floral foam from the dollar store, and I kind of just hacked it up into like it's gonna be stairs to the Emerald City. And then I have some of these blocks. I was gonna use them and then I wasn't. So half of them are painted and half of them aren't. So basically I'm just going to make them into steps. Okay, so there is my road. Basically kind of built it up with craft foam by hacking that up and kind of making a road. It was nice because it had a little give, so if it wasn't quite lined up you could just push one side down more. I kind of just glued some craft foam to the sides to make it look like rocks. And then I had some leftover bricks, so I decided to make some sort of rampart looking things. Alright, so now I'm going to paint my road. I have some fake grass type stuff that I'm going to put there. I did trim the sides because I really built that road out and it was looking very big. I'm kind of boxy. So I trimmed it like that and it'll seem like a little less table space, hopefully. Okay, so almost done the project. Put some tape around the edges to clean them up a little bit. We have painted our yellow brick road. I put the grass down and I put some vines, cleaned up the door a little bit. And that's pretty much it. Some last finishing touches. We'll likely include putting some fairy lights on it. We don't have batteries today, so I will be back.